Hi, I'll show you how to install and use the Liquid Elements package from AE Juice. For this video, I assume you have the Pack Manager plugin installed, but if you don't, check out a How to Install the AE Juice Pack Manager video below. Activation. After purchasing Liquid Elements, open the Pack Manager and log in. You'll see the package in the Purchase section. On the first launch, it will be downloaded from the cloud, so it may take a few seconds. Finding the element. At the moment of this recording, there are 36 different categories. Categories are named in such a way that you can quickly locate related elements like water or fire, but at the same time, names are very detailed. For example, water bubbles, water drops, water splashes, or waves. Start typing to find the element instantly. You can search by tags as well. For example, find a wave element by typing any of the following: ocean, sea, river, flood, stream. Find a chaos element by typing think or thought. It's a great time saver. Now, there is no need to remember the exact category name. Just type whatever first comes to mind. Press sort by length. Sometimes I need an element to fill out the gap. It really can speed things up. Now, don't worry if the duration isn't precisely what you're looking for. You can always adjust the timing later by moving the marker. Usually, when I get my hands on a new package, I go through it and add the elements I like the most to the favorites. As you can see, I've got a lot of them saved here, and this will help you be more efficient in the future. Categories, import, and usage. All of the categories are trimmed by length and cropped so that you can select them in your composition and locate them easily on the timeline. It can get messy sometimes. There are some looped categories. Let's add a cigarette smoke to our scene. An element loops by default. There is no need to make adjustments. It just works out of the box. Let's make another loop, chaos loop. Press Alt plus right bracket on Windows or Command plus right bracket on Mac if you need to trim it. Now, I love the new noise category. We created the whole 30-second project based on these elements. I imagine that you would need a lot of them in one scene. Just select a bunch and drag and drop. Organize them slightly and move on with your day. There are some popular categories like smoke, explosions, lightning, or fire, as well as rarer categories like glass cracks, lava lamps, and geometry loops. Of course, you have combos to make an impact, hearts, and animals. Check out this liquid category, which saved my life on one project. We had a tight deadline and needed to create a scene with a wine glass. The client wanted to add some flavor. It's subtle, but it makes a difference. You can use it as coffee, water, or any other liquid. If you'd like to preview all the categories, you can download the Pack Manager at aejuice.com or check out the web preview at aejuice.com/product/liquid-elements. Styles. Let me tell you about another feature I love, styles. You can change how the package looks in just one click. Press Settings. I love the doodle style, so let's check it out. The style will be applied only after import. How cool is that? Let's try another one. Glow. All of the styles have controls. Go to Effects Controls and play with the settings. Wow, this looks impressive. I'll show you two more and we'll move on, okay? Check out Trim Style. See that trimmed stroke? This one used to take me a long time to do manually. Of course, we have a pixelated style for retro lovers and a textured style to add some granular details to your projects. Updates. We always listen to feedback and are constantly adding new categories. Most of the new elements appeared thanks to your input from version 1. When the latest updates are available, you'll see a notification in the box. Right-click. The update will download and install everything automatically. One last thing, check out the music video we made using only Liquid Elements. It took 2 days from receiving a client's brief to completing the project, and it also includes some changes the client requested. Yeah, I know. We'll see you in the next video. Stay creative. AE Juice.